In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify Admin and how to use the AfterShip app to generate a ready-to-print label without any confusion. First, open your Shopify Admin. This is your store's control center, where you manage orders, products, and apps. If you're prompted to sign in, use your store credentials and make sure your account has permission to install and use apps. Having your orders and shipping details handy will make this process smoother. Once you're in the admin, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is the place where all your installed integrations live. If you already have AfterShip installed, you'll see it in your list. If not, you can find and add it from the Shopify App Store right from here. Apps extend what Shopify can do, and in this case, AfterShip helps streamline label creation and fulfillment. Next, open or install AfterShip and log in. The first time you connect it, Shopify will ask you to approve permissions so the app can access orders and shipping information. Follow the prompts and make sure your ship from address is correct. If your business uses carrier accounts or specific services, check those settings inside the app so the right options show up when you generate a label. After you're in, you'll see a clear option labeled something like Print a Real Label. This is the starting point for creating your shipping label. When you open it, you'll typically select the order you want to fulfill, confirm the package weight and dimensions, and choose your carrier and service level. Take a moment to double-check the recipient address and package details. Accurate weights and sizes help you get the best rates and avoid carrier adjustments later. If your printer uses 4x6 labels, make sure the label size reflects that. Finally, click that option to continue the process, and that's it. The app will guide you through label creation and purchase, then provide a downloadable file you can print right away. For best results, print at actual size with no scaling. And if you're using a thermal label printer, select the correct format before you send it to the printer. It's a good idea to save a copy of the label PDF in your records and keep the tracking number handy for your customer notifications. And that's all you need to print shipping labels on Shopify using AfterShip. Once you've done it once, repeating the process for new orders is quick and consistent. If anything looks off, revisit your app permissions and shipping settings, then try again.